What's going on, guys? Well, today I couldn't stream in the morning. I got a real bad back issue going on, and there's just no way I could have streamed. The way I'm sitting here right now is taking like all my energy really to set up all nice and straight and in a way that doesn't hurt too much. So there was no way I could stream this morning, but I said, guys, I'm going to try to take a trade before I go get back to resting. I was able to get one trade in and I did record it. Now it's a green trade. I only had half the size I wanted on the trade. So if I would have had full size, man, it would have been that much better. And chances are I probably would have even been able to hold on to a piece of it a little bit longer. I'm fighting against that trailing drawdown. Remember, I'm trading in that Eval account and it's almost done. Since it was a nice green trade today, I only need $2,500 more and I'm done. I can't wait. Hopefully I can get that done here in the next 24 to 48 hours. I did get myself another nice little cushion as well since it's a green trade. I got a nice little cushion between the auto liquidation threshold and my balance. That is about $5,100 now, so as opposed to the $4,200 that it was, $4,100 that it was prior. So real nice day. It's about $1,000 day, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab the live trade so I can show it to you. As I do that, let me show you what I was looking at. Okay, so what I was looking at was right here. We had a little bit of a bear flag formation going on right in here, and that's what I traded. This right here is what I traded. I did not get to trade it inside the flag, although I did try. But as soon as I identified it, it kind of started to come off back down from the top end of the flag. And when we broke down and out of the flag, I did what I always tell you. That is the secondary way that I'll look to trade a bear flag formation. And once we broke underneath the bottom trend of this flag, I went ahead and got short the ES and I wrote it down. I actually was able to write it all the way down here, right? And I took profits along the way. And then when we broke back up over here, I stopped out, and I think I was just too shy. I should have had the stop at 33.50, and I had my stop just underneath it. It happened so quick, and it might have been just a little bit of a user error as I was moving my cursor on the map. As you know, I trade on the chart. As you know, I trade on the chart, and I got stopped out right here. I was watching for a push into this 34 zone, okay, for a possible re-entry to the short side. We did not get up in there, so I just sat here and watched it go down a little bit lower, but I did capitalize on catching at least half of this current move, which I'll take any day. Now, here is the trade. I had 6 contracts I was short. Okay, so here you go. I'm in 6 contracts short. I already took a piece of profit off right here in front of this bounce area. And I just started putting on my profit targets. What the telltale sign here, of course, was, and this little bounce back, the volume did start to increase, but it quickly started to decrease. And on this rejection with this nice increase in volume, I went ahead and got short. And right here, you see I have another take profit right there. So I'm trying to cover a position there on the ask. That one should get hit here pretty soon. And that's just a couple small takes just to protect myself. I'm down to 4 contracts now. We'll go ahead and fast forward this a little bit. I was really hoping, you see how as we go lower, the volume is depleting. I was really hoping it would be the opposite. As we go lower, we would increase volume. We start to bounce a little bit there. I take another piece off, and then I put a trailing stop in place here. Just a mental trailing stop that I'll drag on the chart. Then we get another little drop right into my next take. I'm up 5 points here. This next take here is around 6 or 7 points, if I'm not mistaken. There you go. So we get that one. I guess it was 5.5 points. And we continue on a little bit lower. I'm down to 2 contracts now. Oops. You see here how we start to bounce and the volume increases. I moved my stop and I just moved it way too low. It was an error there on my part there as I moved the stop on the chart, moved it a little bit too low, got stopped out, and that was right in here. We did extend further upwards. I had the stop just here instead of having it up here. I think I had the stop down about 1.2 too close, and that was a little bit of a user error as I dragged it on the chart, I guess. Either way, it rejected, went lower. I would have gotten all the way through to my final take, so I probably left about $500 extra on the table. All good though, nothing to be mad about. It's a good day, just about $1,000 on the day, and now I'm $2,500 away from passing this Eval account, which was what, $15,000 I needed to make. So we're up about, what is that, 12,000 and change in the course of about 3 days, 3 trading days, 4 trading days, more or less, 3 trading days. Not bad at all, guys. So that's what I did today. Now I think I'm gonna go rest and relax a little bit, see if this back can get better. Let me know what you did today. How was your trading? Drop it in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's stream. Thank you guys very much for watching and smashing that like button.